Are you having problems with localized multimedia orchestration not locating the Nkdptp Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. While preparing the manual steps for NKDPTP library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the NKDPTP library, the Nikon and digital camera PTP picture transfer protocol module. It provides the unmanaged communication layer for transferring high-resolution images from cameras via USB. It manages the orchestration of PTP object handles and facilitates the data link to file system manifests for photo import. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. NKDPTP is a restricted library bundled with the Localized multimedia orchestration engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including NKDPTP library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install NKDPTP Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for NKDPTP library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing NKDPTP library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.